Hello, PPLSI family. This is Chris Ward with another episode of how to leverage Google My Business to grow your PPLSI business. So really wanted to start with a cautionary tale. A couple of years ago, I had sponsored a major event and I believed that I had sent them my contact information so that they would put in the hyperlink to my website, they would use our corporate approved LegalShield associate hub site. And a friend of mine found it and pointed out to me. I completely forgot about this event, but when I clicked on the link in it, the hyperlink actually directed to my Google My Business website. And you may be asking, what is a Google My Business website? Well, I wanted to share with you is that everybody who sets up a Google My Business page has access to a free website that Google actually produces for you. So I want to share with you what that looks like. So this is in your, we're going to call it back office for lack of a better word. When you go in to look at Google My Business, you'll see all of your options right here on the left-hand side, all your tabs. So when you click on website, it's going to take you over into the builder to build. Now you can buy a personalized URL for this. I'm not going to do it because I'm never going to direct people, but the fact that this exists, you want to make sure that it looks good. So right here in your themes, you're only allowed, sadly, we're not allowed to put in any of our corporate color brand palette, or I think brand color palette. So corporate already has the color palette for our personal brand, but Google doesn't allow us to alter that. So the one that I found that I feel like best fit the color palette was our Plum Harvest. So if you want to select Plum Harvest, you see it says Chris Ward, Independent Associate of PPLSI. And we'll talk a little bit more about the other options, but you can get a quote, basically is to find out which membership plan would be right for them. You see that I've a specific header image. So when people go there to visit it, you can see it's got my website, my contact information to reach me through my social media sites. And then you're going to see the posts. So here's my New Year's Eve post. I post on December 28th, and you can scroll down and they could read any of my posts that come from that. So you can go through, and here's the edit button. So you can edit the text of your title. You'll see that the title of mine is Chris Ward, Independent Associate of PPLSI. Under the description, I kept it simple. It's just legal service plan provider. Under the summary header, this would be your tagline. The old corporate tagline was worry less or live more. And then just a really quick summary body. Again, this isn't a website that I manage because whenever this already exists for free. Whenever I'm sending a prospective associate or member to my website, I'm using my corporate hub site, my username.wearelegalshield.com. So again, you can buy a custom domain if you'd like to. You can update your listing to use this website instead of your own. I would highly discourage you from doing that. Just direct them directly to your hub site. But the fact that this website exists comes up in your Google search. And so you want to make sure is that your Google page, the thing that people are looking at. So this is what, and you can copy this URL from right here and see what it looks like. So this is what a new person looking at my website would find. So this is all they're going to get right here. Now, where are all these coming from? But look, it's got testimonies from my previous clients. Some of these are pretty outdated. I need to get some new testimonies. There's a little tagline with a little description of our services. There's a photo gallery. And then a contact us. Here's a map to my office with contact information, the address, and of course our business hours. So to me, I believe that if this is going to be out there, you want to make sure that it's attractive to prospective members and associates, and they see that you're still in business. If this happens to be the website that they find when they're looking for PPLSI, LegalShield, and/or IDShield. So this has been a brief but comprehensive look at how you can leverage Google My Business to build your PPLSI business. Please like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to my channel for more information about how you can leverage social media sites to build your business. This is Chris Ward from Denver, signing off.